Assalomu alaykum, hurmatli bizni ijtimoiy tarmoqda kuzatayotganlar. Bugun biz Xitoy Respublikasi
Shinjon
Sinjan shu haligi provinsiyasidagi shu Urumchiga yaqin bo'lgan shahardamiz. Biz bu shaharda shu nimada aynan shu Xitoydagi qishloq xo'jaligida qilinayotgan ishlar bilan tanishyapmiz. Mana hozir yonimda o'sha bizning xitoylik ekspertimiz. Bu kishi shu shimoliy Xitoydan ekan, Gansu haligi provinsiyasidan ekan. O'sha yerdagi o'zlarining ayni paytdagi shu muammolar bo'yicha bizga hozir so'zlab bermoqchi. Please introduce yourself.
I'm from Gansu. My name is, so I work in a local university located in Zhangye City, small city situated at the ancient Silk Road, mainly the city part. I come here for for a very important meeting yesterday. We know each other.
Yeah.
But the
Man,
difference is
man,
you're on the
why-
platform.
why-
I'm the audience.
Boyagi nimada o'sha Gansu provinsiyasidagi o'sha bitta universitetda bu nima beradi ekan, nima deydi, dars beradi, ishlaydi. Bu yerda o'sha biz qatnashayotgan o'sha konferensiyada bu ham qatnashyapti. Please tell your name again.
Ho Liang.
Ho Liang Yu ekan bu kishining oti.
It's a Chinese
And
name.
please tell us what is the problem in your, this province? When it comes to soil, climate.
Yes. In my province, in where I live and work, the problem is almost the same because the climate, because of the greenhouse, the temperature rising up, and also the soil degradation, and it's hard to make the integration of fertilizing and irrigation. To sum up, how to realize a real precise management of agricultural production.
Okay. Bu hozir aynan o'sha Gansu viloyatida ham bu yerda ham asosiy muammolardan bittasi o'sha iqlim o'zgarishiga ta'sir qilayotgan mana shu is gazlari. Bundan tashqari yana bitta narsani aytish kerak. Aynan o'sha tuproq tanazzuli yoki tuproq degradatsiyasi ham katta muammolardan hisoblanadi. And then what practice are you going to mitigate climate change issues and also improve soil productivity in your province?
First and foremost, we need to select some suitable cultures, variety by breeding, and then based on the local environment, agricultural environment, you need to try to design and select some suitable better. To utilize all the agro resources. Light, heat, water, and air, and even soil or fertilizer to the best. Less input, but the maximum output. Sometimes it's like accounting, because it's industry. It's industry. Sometimes something to do with economy, with finance. It's not just some pure research. We need to make something into application to make the real target. For the yield, quality, and even the income of those farmers. So, if without them, who can do this? Who can do this farming or cultivation?
Okay. Bu endi aytyapti, aynan mana shu joyda bular o'sha iqlim o'zgarishiga shu mos bo'lgan shu navlarni tanlash birinchi o'rinda. Chunki o'sha iqlim o'zgarishiga mos navlar tanlash orqali biz shu hosildorlikni oshirishimiz mumkin. Endi hosildorlikni oshirishda yana bitta narsaga e'tibor berishimiz kerak deyapti. Ishlab chiqarish xarajatlarini kamaytirish orqali o'sha hosildorlikni oshirish kerak deyapti. Ana o'sha orqali biz chunki ana shundagina biz fermerlarimizni shu yerda nimasini daromadini oshirishimiz mumkin. Agar fermerlar o'sha o'zlari ishlayotgan joydan daromad olmaydigan bo'lsa, u qanday qilib biz fermerlarni o'sha joylarda ushlab turishimiz mumkin bo'ladi. Shuning uchun ham aynan bizni yo'nalishlarimiz ishlab chiqarish xarajatlarini kamaytirishga qaratilgan va shu orqali ishlab chiqarishni ko'paytirish, ko'proq mahsulot olish. And then so what is this when it comes to soil degradation?
What
Soil
degradation. Because
So do you have any practice for soil degradation? To overcome soil degradation?
some research institute, they try to design some biological
Fertilizer.
additive to try to transmit the soil into other compost. But for the whole, for in the field production, I suggest sometimes we can try to use some, just like you said, some tillage practice, less tillage, to make the nutrition and in the soil is recycling and also containing the waters
Awesome.
to make waters make those salt in waters and it's soluble and lately step by step the grass and underneath the cover for
Yes.
agriculture. Yes.
Okay. Shuning uchun buni endi mana shu tuproq degradatsiyasiga qarshi kurashda asosan o'sha yerda nima deydi, turli xillardagi praktikalar, aynan o'sha yerda yerga ishlov bermasdan ekish texnologiyalarini joriy etish orqali shu yerda ularni shu tuproq unumdorligini oshirish bo'yicha ishlarni qilishimiz mumkin deyapti. Shuning uchun ham o'sha yerda tuproq unumdorligini oshirishdagi ishlar aynan o'sha degradatsiyani to'xtatadi degan deyapti. Katta rahmat barchaga. Kim bizni kuzatib turgan bo'lsa, hamma shu haligi nima deydi, mana shu tugmachani bosib qo'ysin, bizlarga shu o'zlaringizni nima deydi, izohlaringizni qoldiringizlar, izohlarda biz barchangizga javob berishga harakat qilamiz. Katta rahmat. Xitoyda shu haligi Urumchi nimasidan, viloyatidan sizlarga Nurbekov aziz. Rahmat.
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 We have to go.